that I was snoring.
Come on holiday, have a nice restful holiday, she said.
Well, what's the problem?
Go away.
It's not as if I was snoring or anything like that, was it?
Go away.
Silly cow stuck in the
That's
fucking
so
bathroom. I thought you was going to put your head where the B-day end is. You don't get up quick in the night though to have a wee on that toilet there because you're going to bash your head.
Go away.
Have a nice sleep, love.
Go away.
Good night.